Now, let's start our next tool, that is surface offset. Okay, surface offset. Let us create some shapes. A polygon, center, inscribed. Okay, let's create an arc. Start and then end. So this is the arc. Move it. Okay, like this. So this is done. Now let's surface extrude. Select this and extrude it. Okay, now as of now, you can see this nerve creation is on. If the nerves creation is on, okay, let us create one more. What can I say? Let us create one more. Let us copy this rather. See, as of now, nerves creation is on. Now let me do extrude. See, I have done the extrusion of this by keeping the NURBS creation on. You can see all the surfaces are separated. Okay. Now I will keep the NURBS creation off and go to surface extrude. Select this and press enter. Now you can see this is a single surface. Okay. So go to extrude, select this, and obviously this is a continuous surface. Okay, this is an arc, so it's a continuous, so it will have no effect of nerves creation. So I hope this is done. Now after this, go to surface offset, select the surface to offset. Let us focus on this. Select this and press enter. Now it will ask in which direction you want to do surface offset. You can flip the direction from here as well. If you flip it, it will come inside. If you flip it, it will come outside. You can do both side as well. See both side, on the both side, inside and outside both. If you press flip again, it will come outside. If you flip, inside. Now this offset distance is very important. Suppose if you give offset distance 10, so at a distance 10, it will be created inside. Okay. Now go to offset surface again, select this and press enter. Now it will create outside at a distance 10. Press 10 and enter. I hope this is clear. Now let's try to create surface offset again. Select this, press enter. Now it is creating outside. Flip the direction. So it will create inside now. Let us see. Let us give a distance a bit more. Let me give 50. See, one offset operation failed because if you give offset distance of 50, that too inside the inside this surface, it is not going to happen. Okay, so that's why this operation was failed. Delete this and also delete this. Go to offset surface, select this surface, enter. Now both sides, both side, see both side. Okay, and it is 10. Press enter. So on both side, this was the main surface, and on both side the surface was created. So that's the feature of offset. I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the surface offset again. Now we know that this are the surface which are not joined to each other, but these are the surface are joined to each other. Now go to offset, select this surface, press enter. Now it will create outside, or you can create both side. Okay, and press enter. So it will look like this. Okay. Now let me do undo. Go to surface offset. Select this. Press enter. Flip the direction. So in this, let's say flip the direction inside. Now if you press on solid, then what will happen? Between those two surface, the solid will be created. See, two surface will be there, this surface and again another surface will be offsetted surface. Between those two surface, solid will be created. Go to solid and press enter. See, the solid is created. This is a solid. If you go to properties, it will be a solid only. See, 3D solid, right? Press undo. Go to offset again. Select this, press enter. You can go both side and solid and press enter. So you can see on both side the surface is created, the solid is created. Okay, now let us see this. Let me delete this one. Now let us focus on this. Go to offset. Go to offset. Okay, select this whole surface, all the surface. Select all the surface. Press enter. Okay, so as of now, after this, you can see here connect. As of now, keep adjacent edges connected. I will say no. I don't want to connect and press enter. See, if you don't want to connect, then how will it look? See this. There will be a gap because this has been offset this and this. Understand it very carefully. This surface is the offset of this surface. This surface is the offset of this surface. This surface is the offset of this surface, like that. Okay. Now go to offset surface again. Okay, and select one by one, because if I try to select all at one, we won't be able to select. Select this, select this, and select this. Okay, I have selected the inner surface. Enter. Now flip the direction inside. Distance is 10 only. The offset distance is 10 only. Go to connect and this time press yes. This time press yes. Now see, they are connected. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, let me create one more extrude here by keeping the NURBS creation on. If the NURBS creation are on, you can see they will be different surface. Go to offset, select this whole surface and press enter. Okay, now flip the direction, means direction is outside. Go to connect, press yes and enter. Once you press enter, you will see that the surfaces which are offset from here to here, they are connected. They are connected end to end. Adjacent, they are connected. So that's all about offset. Okay, you can create an offset of this as well. Select this and press enter. And again, press enter. So you will see that it will come outside of it. It's a bigger arc, little bit bigger arc, and the radius will be more than 10 because offset distance was 10. I hope you understood the difference between this connected one and non-connected. Okay. Yes. So let me undo this. See, this is undo. Go to offset. Select this. Press enter. Outside flip. Okay. Go to connect. Suppose if I press no and press enter. So see how they have been created. See, they are not connected actually. Okay. Go to surface. Select this. Press enter. Flip direction. See this one. Go to connect. Press yes Let me flip the direction and press enter. See, it will create outside. So I hope this is clear. Now, why it is doing like this? Did you observe why it is happening like this? The direction was opposite. The direction was opposite. Okay, see, it is outside the direction. Okay, the direction is outside. So it must create outside, right? So go to connect and press yes. Okay, and give the distance as 10, enter. So it will come outside. Now why it is happening? Because previously it was minus 10. Now it is plus 10. Previously I had set as minus 10, means by default the value was minus 10. Do you want to see? List, select object, enter. Or rather we can do also one thing. If you press F2, you will see the previous thing. See this one, the last offset which was there, by default minus 10 was taken. By default minus 10 value was taken. That's why it created inside, even though the arrows was towards the outside, but still the offset surface was created inside. Okay, yes, press undo. See, but how it is happening? Go to offset surface, select this and press enter. Flip direction to inside. Okay, flip direction to inside, and in the connection press yes and press enter. So it has created like this. Can you see this? Yes. Now if I go to offset surface again, okay, let me undo this. Let me create a offset surface here with, go to offset surface, delete this. Now select, delete this as well. Now go to offset surface again, select this, press enter. So as of now it is showing outside. See, as of now it is showing outside, but the by default value is negative minus 10. So obviously the offset surface will create inside. Do you want to see that? See here, press enter. See, it is inside because the value was minus 10. If I had given value as plus 10, then that would have created outside. So that's it. That's why it was happening like that. If you go to offset surface and if I select this and press enter, see, by default the value is minus 10. By default the value is minus 10, and in the connect go to no. In the connect press no. Okay, by default the value is minus 10, means the offset surface will created inside. See, it is inside and they are not connected because in the connect I have pressed no. So I hope this is clear. Now let's start our next topic, that is project geometry. So let's get started. So here what I am going to do, first I will create an arc. Go to arc, start point, go to end. This is the end point. Hold the control button and place it. Let me move this bit in this direction. Okay, after this let us extrude this, extrude surface, press and select this, press enter and give height. Now go to front view, go to front view. Okay, create a circle on this plane. Okay, and switch to top again, top UCS, so that it become like this. So if you go to front, you will see this circle. Move this circle a bit to the center, and I want the circle dimension to be little bit smaller, like this. Okay, and try to move the circle a bit closer to that. Now, what I am going to do, I am going to project this particular geometry, that is the circle, onto that particular surface. Okay, using these options: project to UCS, project to view, and project to 2 points. Now go to project to UCS first. Select the curve. This is the curve. This curve I want to project onto this particular surface. Press enter. Then select this surface. Now you will see that 0 objects projected successfully. Some error is happening. Error code number is 115034. Now let's do one thing. Let's go to home, and let's go to home, and you have to see the projected direction is this one. I want to project this particular circle onto this particular surface. So the projection direction is this one. This is the projection direction. So you have to make your projection direction, means your Z direction must be along the projection direction. So how to do that? Come to this UCS again and go to front. You will see that your Z axis will become the will change, and Z axis is along the projection direction, because I want to project this particular circle onto this surface. So this is the projection direction. Now go to surface, project to UCS, select this circle, press enter, and then select this curve. Now you can see that, you can see very easily. Click on this, go to properties, PR enter, select this, change the color. Now you can see very easily. Okay, yes, I hope this is clear. Okay, now let's do undo. Or what I would do is I would copy. Go to copy command, select this and this, press enter and move it. I want to do multiple copies. So go to multiple. So like this, I have created this circle and this. Now go to project to UCS. This time I will put the auto trim on. See, auto trim is on. Okay, surface auto trim is on. Go to project to UCS. Select the curve. This is the curve. Press enter. This is the surface. So see, in spite of this projection of curve, it will directly trim it. Okay, so this is the project to UCS, and it will trim in whole. Okay. Now let's go to project to view. Let's create a view. Suppose this is the view. Okay, this is the view. Go to project to view, select this curve, this circle actually, press enter, and this is the surface. You can see, according to my view, this is being created. Now I will change my view. Suppose I am keeping this view. Okay, let me change the color of this circle so that it is visible for us. PR enter, select this circle, green in color. Okay, no, green is not visible. Go to this circle, go to blue, dark blue, delete this. Now let's go to project to view, This is the curve that needs to be selected. Press enter, and this is the surface. According to my view, the cut is being done in both the thing. Okay, because in whole surface, the cut will be done. Because auto trim is on, that's why cut is being done here. Okay, so this is based upon view. Suppose if I keep this view if I keep this view, and if I put auto trim off, go to project to view, select this circle, enter, and select this surface. Now we will see that circle has been projected here. Okay, now let's switch on the auto trim, go to project to view, select this circle, press enter, and select this. You can see because the auto trim was on, so that's why it is trimmed. And it is trimmed from this side only, because in this particular view only this surface was there. The other part, means other side, was not there. That's why only it has been cut like this. Now the last is project to 2 points. Okay, project to 2 points. Let us see. Go to project to 2 points. Let us see, this is the start. In this case, the UCS don't have any usage. So you can move it to top UCS like this. See, it will convert like this. Go to surface. Go to project 2 points. Suppose this is the first point. This is the second point. Select the curve. This is the curve. This circle is the curve. Press enter. Select this one, and you will see along this direction, irrespective of the UCS, the cut has been done. The auto trim has been done. So that's the usage. Go to project to 2 points. Select this. Now put the ortho off. So this is the direction. Okay, select this curve, press enter, and select this. You can see that this is how, because the second point was selected somewhere here. So that's why in this direction the cut has been done like this. Okay, go to project to 2 point, select this, and let us select this end. Let's see what happens. Okay, select the curve, this circle, press enter, and then select this one. You can see that the projection has been made on this. So that's all about project geometry. I hope this is clear, and you can use this curves to make 2D lines actually. That is very simple. And what is the use of project geometry? You can make tennis ball, you can make anything. Okay, you can make actually tennis ball, you can make lots of things using this project geometry. Okay, I will give example, I will create example of a tennis ball in this. Okay, I hope this is clear.